You have definitely seen those 2D fitness channels on YouTube pulling millions of views on their videos. And have you ever thought that creating this kind of content must be really expensive? Absolutely not. Because in this video, I am going to show you the totally free method to create these videos yourself. Now first watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes.
Most people kill their biceps growth right here. If you're swinging the weight, your shoulders and momentum are doing the work, not your arms. Keep your elbows fixed beside your body. The less your upper arm moves, the more tension stays exactly where you want it. The biceps. Want higher biceps peaks? Train the long head through a deep stretch. Incline curls put the arm behind the body and increase growth stimulus. Don't rush the top. Pause and squeeze hard. Peak contraction helps maximize tension and improve mind-muscle connection. Don't ignore hammer curls. The brachialis sits underneath the biceps and pushes the arm outward, helping create a bigger look. Train with control, stretch the muscle, and hit every angle. That's how you build bigger biceps and better peaks.
Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open the master prompt. The link is in the description below. Copy the full prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Hit enter and ChatGPT will provide you 10 workout video ideas to choose from. Now pick the one that attracts you the most and enter the number of it. Hit enter and ChatGPT will now ask you to provide a character reference image. For this, open the prompt, take a screenshot of the character picture and upload it into ChatGPT. Hit enter and ChatGPT will break down every single scene of your video from beginning to end in perfect sequence. Now just type next, and in a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide you the full production prompts ready to use, including image prompts, animation prompts, and voiceover scripts. Everything you need is sitting right here in one place. Now, head over to Google Flow, click on the plus icon and upload your character reference image first. Now click on that image and choose Add to Prompt. This image will now work as the character reference for every scene you generate, keeping your character looking exactly consistent throughout the entire video. Go back to ChatGPT, copy image prompt 1 and paste it inside. Hit enter and your first image will be ready in just a few seconds. Now do the exact same thing again. Click on the character reference image, click the 3 dots, choose Add to Prompt, copy image prompt 2 from ChatGPT and paste it inside. Repeat this exact same process until every single image is done. This reference image step is what makes your 2D character look like the same person in every scene. It is the difference between a professional looking video and one that looks like random AI images put together. Now let's bring these images to life. Click on the first image, click the 3 dots and choose Animate. Make sure all your desired video settings are turned on. Copy animation prompt 1 from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit enter and your first animated video scene will be right in front of you. Repeat the exact same process for every remaining image until all of them are converted into smooth animated videos. Download every video one by one when they are all ready. Now it is time to generate the voiceover. Head back to ChatGPT and write this. Give me the voiceover prompt in full, ready to copy. Hit enter and ChatGPT will instantly give you the complete voiceover script in one place. Copy it and open 11 Labs or any text-to-speech tool you prefer. Paste the voiceover in and hit generate. Your full professional voiceover will be ready in seconds. Download it. Now open any video editor you like and import all your clips and the voiceover onto one timeline. Combine all the video clips in the correct sequence, attach the voiceover, and adjust the speed of each clip so everything syncs perfectly with the audio. Remove any unwanted parts, add captions, choose the font style or template that fits your video, and hit export. Your 2D workout animated video is completely ready to go viral on the internet. Millions of views from a 2D fitness channel built with free tools, built in minutes. The master prompt link is in the description right now. The only thing missing now is you starting. Subscribe so you don't miss the next viral AI workflow.